let's unbox and test this brake bleeding kit. I'm actually going to do a whole flush on a car because the brake fluid is coming back as bad fluid. Oh, that's a lot smaller than what I thought it would be. So I figured I could use this kit instead of doing it the manual way where you have somebody push down on the brakes. I'm sure there's plenty of other videos that show how to do that. So this is how it comes from Amazon. Sounds like it's all in place. Leave the link in the description below. The box is about half the size I thought it was going to be, so that's not good, I don't know. It has the really cheap clips. They won't last too long, but at least you can secure something on there, maybe some tape, when it quits locking together. User manual, safety cautions. Exhaust gas recirculation. So you can use this for a few other things, I think, but I'm using it just for brakes. We have a thing. I don't quite know what that's for. We have the tube that holds it. Looks like it comes with an extra O-ring. That O-ring is in there really nice and good. That's good. Looks like a sample. Looks like something else goes on top of there. We'll have to check that out. Here's our tubes. They're very pliable. Got two other tubes right here. This is an awful video, but it feels like them will hold in there pretty well. That one's full of air. You feel it? So you can't feel it, but right there. I'm just kind of looking at the durability, how this is going to last over time, and heat and cooling of the garage. Looks like that could probably go over the end of, yeah, see that goes in there. That most likely goes over the end of a bleeder valve. Them feel pretty heavy duty. A splitter, I guess if you want to do all your brakes at once, or maybe other things that this kit does. There's a union. These are all different sizes. Looks like they get bigger and bigger. This looks like if you're gonna blow up a pool floaty. This is a crazy review. We've got some shorties. Let's use that last. Got the top to this. Oh, it's a totally different one. So it's weird because it's got like grooves in it. So this is if you're gonna be sucking the brake fluid through, I'm pretty sure. Milliliters on the side of it. And ounces, clear up to, looks like it would go to 6 if it was full, but 4 is right there. And that just secured right on there. I don't know if it felt like a great seal. The seal's kind of like down on one side, up on the other. Okay, and then the pump itself. It's wrapped very nicely. It's upside down. Will it hold the air? Went to 25, no problem. It doesn't feel like it wants to go further than that. Hey, if it pulls anything, that's what we're going for. I'm gonna use the relief valve. Worked real good. Let's put one of these hoses on there. Slides right on. Doesn't seem to want to go past 25 mmHg or NHG. I don't really know all that is. I can definitely feel the suction, and you can see it on my finger. So this pivot doesn't feel very high quality at all. And this, can I hold that still? See how much play is in that? And when I pull on it, I guess it's doing the job. Oh, it goes to 25. Let's see how many full compressions it takes. Kind of weird. Feels like it should take less if it's a complete thing. Let's turn it that way and see if it, maybe that isn't sealed all the way. Oh, it isn't. Look at that. So it wasn't even secured all the way. Now let's see what it does. About the same, just a little bit more, but at least now it's secured all the way. So that's supposed to be tight there. Clockwise rotation. It's super light too, which is fine, I guess. So for this brake job, we're going to be, does this have a to pump? That's going to pump. Tells you on the top to pump. We're going to be running it just like this. And it'll pull it through. Let's see if that seal has. I'm not going to pump it that much when I'm doing the brakes. Is it holding? Is that seal going to hold? That's on that canister? Sorry. It's easier for me to see it and you guys not see it. Yeah, it's holding. And if it is leaking, it's very slow. So that seal does work on there, and they give you an extra seal. Pretty cool. Let's go do a brake job.